Hi friend, this is the first day I can release a video in my channel. Uh, this is most important thing in my life. Last few year I can research this topic, and but unfortunately this incident is happened, the COVID-19. So this video I creating only for youth who can do a job and right now work from home. So this is very good opportunity in our world, but this is the very bad disaster happens in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. So main thing is that we can take care our health, we can take care our energy, our eating style, our lifestyle, even our life cycle is totally changed. So you just think about it. Uh, Before few years ago, means before COVID-19 pandemic situation. So you go your office after 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. You can waking up and doing exercise, eating healthy food, and after that you can go your office for travel for your own vehicle, yeah, public transport. So then you complete your job within 8 hours, max to max 9 hour or 10 hours. So then you can came back your home, so then you can take rest. This is your lifestyle before COVID-19. But after COVID-19 your lifestyle, you go to your bed every day, and maximum 80% people who can doing work from home opportunities 12 to 1 a.m. every night, 12 a.m. to 1 a.m., right? So then you go to sleep, and after waking up the morning 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and take your seat Zoom meeting and you work hard, and you can calculate every day you can work minimum 12 to 14, max to max 6 to 17 hour in a day. This is the true reality right now, the pandemic situation. We can understand all of those things, but main problem is this: you have a problem for your own mind. This is the psychological disorder. So initial, this is the initial stage. Maybe you don't understand what happening inside your mind and what happening in your future. So main thing is that this is the video topic today. So do you facing any kind of issue, yeah, any kind of problem, please you can explain your good relative, your good friends and family member. If you don't say any kind of question and you can't explain anything what happened inside your mind, so it will be create very biggest problem in the future. This is the time everything will be changed, and we can win the COVID-19, but after few days later you can lose your mind. Maybe at this moment people are looking for my this kind of statement, but this is the true reality. You are psychologically not healthy. As of now survey, 80% of the people not happy with her job, because lots of working time, lots of headache and lots of pressure are creating our office environment and our work. We are helpless right now because we can't do anything, because in case of that you can quit your job. So that's mean this is job is the saving account, right? Your income will be fixed. So your family and also you facing lots of issue right now. But this is the good opportunity. You can start a literally a small startup inside your work, so your startup grow up and healthy, so then you quit your job. So main thing is that how we are psychological healthy. So main thing is that we can earn lots of money every year, every month, every day. We can spend lots of money to medicine, to travel, shopping, and daily needs, everything. But we can't buy smile and happiness, because no one interest listening your word inside your heart and also inside your mind. So this is the main problem, and problem will be increase day by day. I don't know how long it will be continue, but after 2 or 3 years later, everyone can realize uh, this situation will be create biggest disaster in our youth mind. So I can observe the people last 2 to 3 years. Actually, little bit introduction about myself. I am a uh, normal social worker. I can work the people who can jobless and find a job to all of the cities, and I can spend lots of time with 2,000 people under the observation. I can speak personally. So I know some people know me, and because this is the new channel, maybe some kind of fame and laughing and joking with my this kind of statement. I don't have any kind of issue, because I know my English is not too much good, but I try little bit, and I trying to improve my communication day by day. But main thing is that our youth and our society going to very wrong way, because you can't explain your inside heart statement anyone, because you can't trust anyone. It will be very true, because maybe someone use your statement very wrong way. So this is very bad incident in your life. So main thing is that how to survive and how to came back, so those disaster, to a healthy social life. So maybe your boss will be not satisfied your work, but you work hard. Your family member not happy, because you stay in home but you can't spend your time with your family. You can't spend your time with your loved one. So this is the main problem. So your frustration level day by day will be increased. You try to overcome, you try to fix, you try to everything will be all right little bit time, but you can see daily, day by day, this pain will be increased. So if you think you are right now, after seeing the video, you are facing those kind of issue and problem, so please contact me. Maybe I'm not professional psychologist. I just read the book, and I the practically, and I'm going the ground level and observe the people, so then I can understand what kind of problem people has been faced. My practical example, last 3 years I can work with 2,000 people. I can survey myself, I can observe their problem, but problem was same. No one can listen a single word inside the heart. So the pain will be very critical and very difficult. You can't explain anyone what kind of situation inside your heart. Outside maybe you can smile, outside maybe you are laughing, outside maybe you are happiest person in the world, but you can see inside your heart lots of pain and lots of disaster happens. No one can feel that, no one can understand what is your current situation, means the mental situation. You earning lots of amount, millions and billion and trillion dollar. You can buy outside happiness, you are not buying the inside happiness if your mental health is not good. And this is very good and very wonderful if you can earn lots of money and you have the achieve lots of success and your inside health, mental health is okay. So you are the very luckiest person in this world, because right now the situation is very difficult. 80% of people facing the mental disorder. So do you have those kind of issue? You can't share anyone, you can confess them, no one can understand you. So if you want to tell and confess all of those things and all of the pain and all of the situation, maybe it is not guarantee I can help you out 100%, but this is my assurance, I can help you. You have the 100% pain. This is my assurance, I will try to recover 20% pain, and sharing each other lots of things. Maybe your life will be better. Maybe you smile very well outside and inside. So this is your own decision, what you do and what you don't. Main thing is that my video is long, I am so sorry, but if you spend your important time with me virtual, and if you share your all kind of pain and all kind of dark story, so maybe you'll be feel very relaxed, because everyone like your bright side, no one can like dark side and bad incident in your life. No one can can understand what happened and what kind of situation you can face in your life. So this is the true reality, everyone can face those kind of issue in their life. But any single way you can find out, and you can help the people direct your heart, so definitely you can feel very proud. And as a psychologist, before I can saying I'm not a professional psychologist, I have read lots of book, and this is my practical experience in my life. Maybe I will help you out and you feel better. I'm just shocked, because little young aged people, like 18, 15, yeah, 19, 20, 21, 22. So those kind of people not scaring doing any wrong thing, and any bad incident has happened to those guys can't control her emotion and trying to do some kind of wrong work, and wrong incident happens. So people are not understand he or she can doing right or wrong, but this is the time. So you are the family member, and you are the very sincere and very intelligent person in your family. So first of all, you can control your emotion, you can control your mind, and definitely your mental health, it's very important to control all those emotion and all those pain. This is my humble request to you. I know my English not too much good and not strong. I'm not demotivating myself. I try day by day improve my communication skill, and speak very fluently. And lots of mistake and grammatical error are there. I know the very well. Some people take positively, some people take this information negatively. Some people laughing, some people criticize me. I don't have any kind of issue. If one of the person in all over the world can see the video and understand the problem, and he or she is contact me, and I am succeed, one person help out the pain of inside the heart. So I am really very happy and very satisfied creating the video. At this moment, people can take this information very lightly. So, but after few years later, after 3 4 year 5 years later, so out of India, everyone know the situation and the happens, but our society are not aware this dangerous disease. Maybe after few time later, everyone can understand the happens, and maybe you can go good and experience professional, check up your mental health, and keep smiling, spend time with your family, and be happy, be positive every time. I hope some people can underestimate for my setup, for my background. Right now time is I think 2:30, yeah, 3 a.m. So this is not a any kind of funny video. This is very serious kind of video, and I can learn lots of things. So your thinking decide what should you do and what you don't. Last few years I can observe lots of people, and inside my life, and lots of good and bad incident is happened. So main thing is that if you help out the people without any give and take policy, so this satisfaction, it's very important, increasing the positive energy, and also increasing the motivation, and also good mental health in our society, and build a new future with youth and past and future. Everyone be happy, be positive. This is the warning. Maybe people can understand my word, maybe people can understand my motivation, what I say actually. So in our world, anyone anyone can interested and research those kind of serious issues. I hope our world will be very happy and very healthy. All negative thoughts and all negative incident happen in our world first start to our mind. If our mind is not healthy and mind is not positive, it's impossible we can think our future be positive. I know lots of educated person may be watching this information and this video, and I'm trying to release those kind of video and those kind of helpful information with you guys. And right now I don't have any subscriber, and I don't have any popularity, I don't have any setup, and also I don't have any good communication skill. But this is my confident. If I contribute 0.0000000000001% in this world, be positive, be happy, so then I am satisfying in my inside the heart. And God bless you everyone, and I hope you and your all family is now safe during the pandemic situation. And lots of people lost home, job, family member, loved one, everything. But this is one most important request to all of you guys. Please don't lost your mental health anymore, because this is the one thing we can take very lightly, but this is the very serious subject in our life. If you lost your mental health, so then you lost the world, because world can expect you can do more, better, and best positive performance. Inspire the people, inspiring yourself, and do something good in your life without any kind of fear. Hope so. Uh, if you right now you can facing this kind of issue, and this kind of situation and this kind of incident happened in your life, so definitely you can feel free. My Facebook page and Instagram page link also below the description. If you want to discuss those kind of matter, so please text me. Text me personally, and please don't share any kind of personal information below the comment box. So you can text me by Instagram or by via Facebook page. So then I'm contact with you, and also I can mention my email address. You can send me email also, and your name, location, and if you are trying to talk with me, so then you can share your number. And also your preferred time, and I contact you your preferred time if I am available. If I am not available, so definitely I am reply your message and email also, and we can fix the meeting. And I'm listening your all story, and I'm trying to help out the situation right now you have. Thank you so much. You can watching this video uh, till end. I hope if you watching my video till the end, so you can understand what is the important of mental health. So if you are the expert, and if you the senior psychologist in this field, and if you know most important information in this subject, so if I wrong, so please definitely, if it's possible, it's my humble request, please you can correct me and give me the right information. And it's possible you can helping out those kind of people who already have those kind of incident happened in her life and facing the pain. So this is the request for everyone. Namaste. Thank you so much watching this video.